So, hey guys, this is the final part of the September price action of 2024, and this will be the end part of the September backtesting series. So, let's start and let's do a like we have done in the previous stream. Like इससे पिछले वाले stream पे मैंने 10 तक किया था, September 10. So let's continue from 11 Wednesday. So let's go to new session. Okay. So sorry for that. Like let's move on to new session. Okay, yeah. So let's go to daily. So on daily what we can see is the price clearly rejected this bearish gap, which means we are targeting this external liquidity and this high also on 4. Yeah, on 4 hour the price also seems very bullish. We have London lows, Asia lows intact, but we're seeing a bullish price action here. Let's go to hourly. Okay. So we're creating this gap on hourly. 15 minutes, yeah. So let's go to 1 minute and let's see how the market opens. We have a hourly gap which is being created. On 15 minutes we have imbalances. So clearly you can see also on 15 minutes the bearish imbalances are getting disrespected, which means price wants to go bullish, and on high time frames on hourly, 4 hour and on daily the price is going bullish, which means we are in line with in every time frame. That means we can have a good long setup. Let's see how price opens up. Let's go to 15 minutes first. We are going for this gap to get close. Let's see, do we have it? Yeah, we tapped into that gap and we have created another gap also. Let's see how this behaves on 1 minute. Yo. Okay, tap into that. See, okay. And that opens up. Let's see. Okay, we are in a 3-minute gap. Let's see. Let's play a bit forward. Okay, this 3-minute gap got wrecked. Let's see. Okay, now we are looking for a good sell off, because this 3-minute, like, it was a retracement and this was a full body candle. If I delete this was a full body bullish candle, but price rejected this candle, which means we might go lower to take this out. Yeah, so we are disrespecting that, which means we are also looking for that low. We have Asia low. Let's see, let's go to 1 minute. Let's play a bit forward. Okay, we have an inversion. Price is failing. Let's see on 15 minutes. Yeah, we are getting a good closure. So our model is complete with this inversion. We have sell side liquidity to the downside. We are clearly looking for price to push lower, and I'm planning something like this. So this will be my trade. Let's screenshot this, then let's go. Let's see how the price reacts. Okay, on 3 minute, are we looking for a price is rejecting this? Haven't open any kind of gaps. Okay, let's see. So it's break even trade now because I got around 1 to 1. If you look at this, I got around one more than 1 to 2.5, 1 is to 1.25, which means I'm break even. That is my rule. So let's see. Let's go. Nice trade. It doesn't tag me out also on the break even, so it's a good trade. Let's screenshot this also. So guys, see, even if sometimes market is choppy, if you know the direction, you will always get the trade right. See, I entered around here, right? See how the price chops out, but the final objective is taking out this low, which means price certainly will get there to take that out. But sometimes when the price is not behaving the ideal way, it will chop out like this to get rid of sellers, to get rid of persons who are getting out of fear. So यहाँ पे हमेशा ही लाइक मार्केट चॉप आउट कर सकता है, तो we should be careful. If we are correct about the direction, we are getting everything right, so no need to fear about this thing. Okay, let's move on to the next day. Go to next. So yeah, it's Thursday. Let's see. Let's go to daily. So this is a huge candle. Yeah, we tapped into that gap which we were looking for, but we haven't got any kind of closure above that gap, which means on higher time frame I'm gonna be bearish. So what do we have? So okay, we have these highs to get tapped. This H4 means on 4 hour there is a imbalance to the upside which might get filled. We have a imbalance to the downside as well. Seems to be a chop out day. Let's see. Okay, we have low resistance liquidity lined up. Let's go to 15 minutes. Yeah, we have a fair value gap. We have trend line liquidity. If you look at this, which means we can be bullish also, because on higher time frame price might close that daily gap which we are looking for, or price might close this out then reverse back to create a indecisive candle, like a doji candle, like a candle like this on the downside. Got it? So we are looking to trade both sides. I'm not certain, I'm neutral. If this closes, this gap on hourly closes, then we have a target on the downside as well. But I'm certain that this liquidity will get taken, because we have stacked London highs also, Asia highs also. We have trend line liquidity here. We have so much low resistance liquidity to the upside. So ideal scenario will be, if you go to 15 minutes, I'm looking for, like, let me give you a, okay, this might work. Let's see. I'm looking for price to tap into it. Then I'm looking for a inversion to target this high, like a gap around, like, sorry, like this. Then a inversion on M1 here. Then price like comes back. What the fuck is happening? Wait a second. Price like comes back to that inversion, and then we might target this highs. Okay, this is the ideal scenario I'm looking for. But price might fill this, like, price might fill this gap, then we can get something like this, and let's see what happens. So let's go to 1 minute and let's look at how price is reacting. 9:30 opens, manipulates lower. Okay, this is the ideal scenario I'm looking for. Okay, let's go. I'm looking for a buy. Stop loss would be around this. This is the great place to have a stop loss. I'm targeting around these highs. This is my final target. Okay, let's, so the trade would be like this. See, we let me give you a full picture on 15 minutes what it looked like. So we cleared all this liquidity. Wait a sec. So we cleared like all these liquidities around here, tapped into this. If you look at this, this is the hourly imbalance and a V-shaped recovery. If you look at 1 minute, it's a V-shaped recovery, which means price is extremely bullish and our targets are good. Wait a sec, let me close this again. So yeah, so I'm looking around the Asia highs as target. Stop loss is here. Let's go, let's play it. Okay, I'm getting filled on a loss. Let's see. Okay, it's a complete chop out. Yeah, so it's a loss. So this means my rule, which was I'm skeptical about, like don't trade around open, just around open, which means 9. See, my entry was at 9:33. So many a times what happens is price chops out at the open. So it's okay. Let's see, does price give me take profit? Yeah, we got it here. Okay, nice, we got around here. This inversion walked. Okay, let's move on to next day. So let's go to New York session. Let's go to daily. This is the Friday, so let's go to daily. Yeah, price fails to close above. We have a clear gap also to the downside. This bullish imbalance, we have also taken the previous daily high. We have also taken this high. So on 4 hour we have also busy, which is unmitigated, like so a good bearish day. We can expect price to take this low on hourly. Let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, we have low resistance liquidity to the upside, a lot of low resistance liquidity. Let's see how the price reacts. On 15 minutes we are bearish. Let's see how 9:30 opens up. This is the Friday, so price might chop me out at the open, so I'll avoid trading, take a trade at the open in the opening 5 minutes to be precise. So okay, we are taking out. Did we take something? Yeah, we took this low. Okay, we're taking out liquidity to the upside also. Let's see. Can we get some kind of a continuation here? No, we are opening a 15-minute gap also, which means we have to wait. See, this can't be it. Okay, 10M opens, takes both sides. Okay. Not interested, guys, not interested. So, 2 winning days, 2 losing days. This loss can't be justified because I took it against my rule of not trading the opening 5 minutes. So, it's okay. Things like this happens always. Let's move on to next week. Okay, so we have closed this gap on, no, it's Friday, so let's go to, yeah. So we haven't closed this gap, but we have also daily gap here, which is unmitigated. So we can see price bouncing off from here. On 4 hour we are bearish, on hourly also we are bearish. Do we have an imbalance? Yeah, we do. We have a hourly imbalance. So what we are looking for on hourly, we might get a like a tap into this gap, then price might reject it, then go upside to take these relative equal highs and session highs also. So this is like Asia session highs and this London session highs. So we might take out both. We might also tap into this gap, then take out this liquidity like this. We might go this, then take out these lows. So let's go to 15 minute. We are bearish on hourly, on 4 hour, on 15 minutes also. We have these lows here. Let's see. And it's a Monday, so we might get a straight continuation to the upside also. And we might not get also any kind of retracements. Okay, price manipulates low. See a continuation. So this could have been a high resistance trade where we are trading against high resistance liquidity because we have open unmitigated gaps here, but this is not my setup. So let's go to 15 minutes to look at what price is doing. Okay, we tapped into that 4 hour gap. Okay, now we might distribute to the upside. Let's see. Then M opens, manipulates lower. Okay, 10:30 also manipulates lower. Let's see. Okay. See, this was a V shape thing. So, not interested right now. We are getting another liquidity sweep. So, let's see. Can we sustain this? Nothing looks serious. Let's move on to the next day. But let's just see what price does. I'm looking for price to take out these highs. So let's see. No, it just chops out. Yeah, got nothing. Let's move to next day. Let's move to Tuesday and see what price is presenting. Yeah, so we tapped into that gap. We are distributing higher. We have these highs stacked up. Okay, we have solid equal highs to the upside also. So clearly bullish on daily. On 4 hour also we are bullish. We have taken out this high and we have a gap and we have London lows stacked up to the bottom. Okay, let's see how price opens up. We are bullish on 4 hour and daily. On hourly we are still bullish. Still what? We're completely bullish. But it's an indecision candle, so we might wait for price to take this low out first. Okay, let's see. Okay, no, I'm not interested in the opening setups like the opening 5 minutes. Okay, we took out these lows. Let's see, distribute lower. Okay, yeah, we tapped into this gap, so it means we might distribute to the upside. But 10 candle is opening, so let's wait for another sweep or something. 10 opens, manipulates lower, fills that imbalance. 15 minutes, yeah. We are looking for the price to wreck higher. We have time also. So This setup might look like this. What we are targeting the size was. This is a we have nothing to target to upside, I guess. Do we have something? Highs to the upside, but can we break this? So this is a 10M candle, like we have retracements. Let's wait for a retracement again. Okay. Do we tap? No, we do not. 9:30 up, 10:30 opens up. Tap into that gap. Okay. We have a 1 minute inversion. So I'm interested in taking this inversion. Okay, I'm 0.5 in this long. Let's see. Now I am break even. Do we hit the target? Yeah, we do. Great trade. So this was a great trade. Yeah, I was risking low because it was a losing day on Thursday. You can look at this. So I was risking a bit less because of this, and but this was great. This trade was great. Let's go to next session, guys. So go to New York session next. So it's Wednesday. Let's go to daily. Okay. So what do we have? We have previous daily low intact. We swept out like these 2 days high, then closed below this. Now we are trying to get outside this imbalance, which is still holding. And if we look at this wick, so okay, if we close this sell side imbalance, we might get price to take out this high, this high, and this high. But before that, price also like take out London lows, Asia lows first, then it might take out that high. And if you look, see how much is around from this opening price to this is around 72 points, 72 ticks. And if you look at from this to this is around, sorry, this to this is around, what the fuck is this, man? Sorry. So like from here to here is around 1 to 22 ticks, which means for price to get here it'll be easy, but to get here it'll be hard. So let's see, on 4 hour we're still bullish, on hourly also we have taken out this high, previous high. Okay, we have London lows also. This low is still in the radar to get taken out, and we have also an unmitigated gap to the upside. Okay, let's see how it reacts on 1 minute. Okay, we manipulate lower. Let's see price taking out London lows first. Okay, we take out that. You're getting nothing, just a chop out. Let's see. Price is just chopping out. Okay, we take that low on hourly, which means we might get a distribution to the upside. So let's see. We have equal lows here also. With that, are we getting? No, we are not getting anything. $9:30 opens up, manipulates lower, then we see a distribution higher. These highs will get taken out, but guys, do we have a setup here? No, didn't look like we have something. Okay, it takes out completely. Nothing good, guys. This gap, this could have been a trade, like this could have been a setup like this, but nothing's like felt. What about this move, this chop out? And see, if we can't get a clear, like this was a clear move, tap, price tapped into it, move to the upside. Whereas if you look at this is chop out, and we didn't got a liquidity sweep also. So yeah, no trade. Let's move on to next new option. So yeah, a great bullish day. We have taken all those liquidity pools. We are going to next here. Sorry. So this high is important because it is a protected one. So let's see how price reacts. On daily we are extremely bullish. On 4 hour we are creating multiple gaps, which means Price need to retrace to something. Okay, have to get into this gap also, which is unfilled on 15 minutes. We have still more room to the upside. If we go to hourly, we look, we have a gap here. Do we have something? Yeah, we are tapping into this. Then we have this high to be taken out and this side to be taken out. So we have room to the upside. Yeah, we have good room to the upside. Let's see how on 1 minute that works out. Okay. Okay, price manipulates lower. Okay, we get a good move to the upside on 15 minutes. We are getting a retracement. Seems good. Let's go. I'm interested in this. Let's go. I'm looking for a. We are bullish. We tapped into 15-minute imbalance. So we are looking for this high to get taken out. See, we tapped into this gap, manipulated the sellers here. Now we are distributing higher. So we are in a right side of the direction, but let's see how price behaves. Okay, now we can go break even. Let's see. Okay, price took out me on break even. Target could have this. Why this high? Do we have anything here? Okay, let's see. Can we displace through this gap? Because this high is still intact, so we might get another trade also. Let's wait for 10M open. Okay, I'm not interested. This might get hit. Okay, this got hit. I was looking for this because of this 1 minute imbalance. But yeah, let's go. Let's move to next day. Break even day, slightly break even. Let's move to next day of the week. Let's move to New York session, guys. Okay. So it's a Friday on 4 hour. We have tapped into this imbalance and Do we have a sell side imbalance? No, we have relative equal highs to the upside also. Do we have something on hourly? Yeah, we have this unfilled gap, which price will target on 15 minutes. What do we have? Okay, we tapped into this imbalance, then retraced. We are going to the upside. Let's see the 1 minute open. The fuck was it a okay? It was okay. Friday was nothing. It's a bank holiday, I guess so. Yeah, without forex factory, trading is like without glasses on, and you are not blind, but seems like you are getting a blurred vision because I don't know where news is coming on what day. I'm just trading based on the candles and the charts. So it's difficult to backtest like this, but let's go. Daily. Okay, we have created this gap which needs to get filled in, right? So on 4 hour, yeah, we will take this low out for sure. On hourly, we tapped into this gap. We have also a balance here. So on 15 minutes, yeah, we are disrespecting bullish gaps, respecting bearish ones. So let's go to 1 minute. We are bearish. So let's see how the market reacts. Okay, prices directly dumping down on 15 minutes. We have low resistance liquidity. Let's see, do we get a follow through or not? Yeah, we do. See a sweep. Something major to get taken out. Let's see. 950 opens up. Okay, we get this distribution. Okay. Yeah, cool. This trade seems good. Like we are shorting from here. Stop loss would be here. Take profit would be around these lows. Around these lows. This low. New one to one. Let's go to 15 minutes to determine targets. Yeah. Okay, I'm looking for this low to get taken out. Let's see. A minute. Okay. This would be great. Because I'm if price like closes above this body, there is no way price is not taking out. So I am deliberately putting my stop loss on the body of the candle. So let's go. Let's take this trade. Let's go 1%. Around 1 to 2. Let's play that out. Hmm. Crazy ass retracement again. Huh. Okay, chops out. Just chops out. Let's move on to next New York session. Sometimes price is just fucking terrible on Mondays and Fridays. I hate Mondays like always. So daily, are we getting something? Okay, we tapped into this. So I was clearly wrong for the bias on that day, but now after taking the previous daily high and tapping into this imbalance, price for sure needs to go down. Okay, we have London lows, we have Asia lows also. Let's see. On hourly also, all gaps have been mitigated, but we have to take out something first to like go to the downside. Okay, if we inverse this, it'll be great. Target the sell side. Let's see. Okay, we manipulate higher, we distribute low. Let's see. $15. We are still sustaining this gap, which means okay, now we are getting distribution again. I have no entry model, but yeah, this seems genuine. Tapping into that gap. Let's see. Do we have something on 15 minutes to talk? Yeah, we do. Okay. If I go short from this, like this high is protected, so no worries about that. But what are we targeting here? We are targeting this low, London lows. Great. But a 5 minute opens, it means it might retrace also. So let's just wait for that retracement to happen. See, I was good about not taking it a loss. We inverse this gap, which means okay, we tap into that 15-minute inversion. Let's see what happens next. Okay, close below that. We have a 3-minute open. Let's see. Okay, took out the lows again, distributed to the upside. Do we have anything to the upside? Yeah, we do. We have relative equal highs. This small gap got inverse, so we are targeting this high. Seems good. Let's see. Okay, we got distributed to the downside. Oh wow, meltdown. Okay, great. To be not part of that. We are getting another inversion, but 15 minutes opens up here. Okay, can we target something out of this like this? Is that possible on 15? No, we don't have anything. Let's wait for 10:30 to open, and if we get something, it will be good because we are equal highs to the upside. Let's see. Okay, 10:30 opens up. Nothing. Let's move on to next day. Let's go to 4 hour to understand what price is doing. Close this. Let's go to daily first. So we tapped a bit into that, but we are still holding bullish, and we have also the consequent encroachment of the daily to get filled. So let's see, but we have London lows, Asia lows also. So on hourly, what are we doing? Okay, we have this gap which is to be taken out on 15 minutes. We have all these low resistance liquidity that to be taken out. This low has been taken, so it is a protected low. This low. So let's see. We have Asia highs and relative equal highs. We have these highs also to be taken out. So it's a so let's see how price behaves. Okay, 9:30 opens, manipulates to the upside. Let's see, are getting a continuation or nothing. Let's see, are we getting a continuation of that? No, we are getting a reversal, and this looks great. So let's go. So this bullish imbalance got inversed, and we are looking for price to take this lows, the relative equal lows, to the downside. Okay, so the trade looks like this. We have a bigger stop loss. Let's see. On 15 minutes, the price still looks bullish. Okay, but we have these low resistance liquidity build up, so we are targeting that. Let's see, let's go to 1 minute, see how this trade plays out. Okay, Price reverses, taps me out. Okay, we got this inversion. Okay, this was great. Could have taken this also. Okay, cool. Cool. Another losing day. Cool. Let's move to next session. On 15 minutes. Do we have anything? We don't. Let's go to daily first. Okay. We are bullish. Okay. So we are looking for bullish setups, guys. What do we have on hourly? We have relative equal lows and London lows. The hourly is closing bearish, like 30-minute. The 15-minute is also closing bearish. Let's see the 1-minute. Okay, let's play this out. The data highs has also been taken, so let's play this out. Okay, price straight goes to take out that low. Nice. I'm not trusting the first inversion, guys. Something looks fishy. See, let's wait. Another inversion. Then M opens. Manipulate slower. Again, we are getting nothing but a chop out. Okay, we took that low again. We are not getting anything. It was just a high resistance liquidity sweep. Great. Let's see the 9:30 opening. 9:30 opens up, manipulates lower again. Let's see. Price closing through that gap. Okay. Nice. So if I'm taking a sell trade like around here, so this is the trade, guys. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, it takes me out first. So like the stop loss was not correct on my side, so I'll apologize for that, because yeah, so if I'm selling into this and I'm targeting this low, or most probably this low to get taken out on 1 minute, so my stop loss would be around here. So this will be like this. Stop loss would be here, take profit would be here, which looks, the trade looks like this. Okay, gets taken out. Do we get into Asia lows? Yeah, we do. So let's move on to next session. Okay, it's a Friday, and what do we have on daily? Price is still chopping out here. Okay, you have nothing to the sell side. Sorry, you have nothing. Okay, we have a gap here, which is not taken out properly. On daily we are bearish, sorry, we are bullish, but the the volume we are looking at is dying, which means these all low resistance liquidity might get taken out. So let's see, on hourly we have a bullish imbalance. Price is also looking bullish on hourly. On 15 minutes we are bullish, but we have taken this high and price is kind of rejecting it. So let's go to 1 minute to look for something. Okay, we tapped into that 15 minute. Okay, close through it. Okay, at the 3 minute opens up, manipulate upside. Too much wicky price action. Then it opens up. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is bullshit, guys. Complete bullshit. Let's see how 10-15 closes. Okay, close bearish. $10.30 opens up. Let's see. Nothing, guys. So this week was completely losing week. Let's go to next open. Okay, do we have on 4 hour? We have took out like this low. We have London highs to the upside. We have also Asia highs, this high, and Asia highs still intact. So what are we looking? On daily, we are bearish, but we have taken out previous daily low, which means price scan. Okay, we close this gap. We are going to be bullish on 15 minutes. Yeah, it's looking good. Let's see if 15 minutes low is around here. Let's go. Let's look for the price to manipulate and distribute to the upside. Okay, it opens up, manipulates, it fucking wrecks to the upside. Fucking continuation, but are we into something? Okay, we have taken out this high, but we are bullish. Okay, so let's see. Got a change state of delivery, and let's see. Okay, 10M opens, get a closure. Let's see. Let's go for a buy trade. Somewhat like here. Targeting these eyes. This. Let's see. What do we do? Okay. Takes me out first. Good. $9.30. Okay, we're going in something rather. Okay, we're taking out this London low, which means I might get another chance to target the upside. Okay, I'm targeting London lows, but let's first look at 15 minutes. Okay, we are like and we have stack lows. Let's go to 1 minute and confirm this sell. Let's see, do we get a follow through or not? Okay, we don't. We do get a follow through. No, we don't. Do we? No, we do not. Okay. No, we do not. Let's move to another day. So it's a complete losing streak after that. Like this week was bad. This was bad also. So not a good month based on this. I have taken 16 trades. I missed some days here. So it was good. But see, these are stack days, and let's review these ones again. Let's go to each days again to look what happened. Let's go to $9:30. So this day nothing happened. Like this was a complete chop out session. Okay, let's go to next day. What happened on Tuesday? Let's go to 24 and let's go to 9:30. So 9:30 manipulates to the upside. Let's see what happens next. Okay, so if I take a trade right here and I target these lows, what happens is we get a follow through around that. Okay, we do get. So on Tuesday it was like shit. Let's go to next day, 25. Okay, nice. So what do we have on 15 minutes? So I'm looking for 1.5 to 2 hour on every trade, and based on conditions the take profit is always based on conditions and the highs and lows of the candle. Like if I want to put a stop loss, if I want to take this trade, my stop loss would be above this high or at least at the body of the candle. So this is my stop loss, and I always take profits around like this gap, which is completely unmitigated, because what happens is price comes here, then it fills this gap and goes to the upside, which means yeah. So this is generally what I do on take profit and stop loss placements, and I take stop loss on candle lows and take profit on high time frame external liquidity, like external range liquidity, or high time frame internal range liquidity, like the equal highs equal lows, or session high session lows, or a 15-minute buy side imbalance or sell side imbalance. That's it. Yeah, so what I was looking for, like this trend line liquidity. Okay, let's see how the market opens up. Okay, manipulate. Okay, we get nothing out of here, right? This is generally just market pushing and pushing and pushing. Okay, we get a tab into that. Will not get a follow through on this, right? Or we do. Okay, we do. So this was good. Let's go. So we tapped into this gap, we displaced through, then we just inversed, which means if I'm gonna take a trade here, my stop loss would be the body closure, my take profit would be around, if it's 98, I'll be around 2. Let's see, do we get this trade on? Not. Okay, this is also a good trade. So So yeah, it was a good month, and these days were red days. I took trades again on hindsight, so doesn't make any sense. On 30 I've taken one trade or 2 trades. Let's look at 30, guys. Let's go to 30 to look at what happened. Okay, we have all these low resistance liquidity to the upside, and 30 manipulates lower, then the shoots straight. Are we getting anything? So if we take like a buy trade around this inversion, targeting these highs, if we are taking this, are we getting a follow through? Yeah, we do. So this was also a great trade. Yeah, to get a follow through. So this was the end of the review of the September 2024, guys. And so leave a like if you enjoyed the stream, or if you are still here to like watching this. I'll again come back with something new. Till then, let's trade great, take good trades, don't like discard your rules, because rules is everything, guys. If you follow your rules, you will never lose. And if you will break it or try to modify it by getting emotional or getting, no, always remember, don't give a damn about the outcome, because in trading outcome doesn't matter, because it is, what can I say, yeah, like it is not certain. Outcomes are always uncertain. So if you like have less expectations from the market, you will get rewarded more and more.